Hi, it's Neil from Fairway Financial. Just a quick one here. I've heard a couple of people talking about this recently or questioning me on how much information do they have to give to an insurer when they're taking out a new policy. And I guess for me, I've been in the industry for 30 something years, long time, and it's kind of second nature to me. But I also understand, as I'm talking with people who haven't had insurance before, that it can be a real thing about, how much do I need to tell them? Will they go looking for information? Like, what's the sort of certainty that if I need to make a claim, that I'm going to get paid? So I'll talk to that now. Very, very definitely, disclosure, or your duty of disclosure, is one of the most important things when you're taking out a new policy. So I think at the start, you should be very open and find an advisor that you can work with comfortably, that you can have a good conversation. The advisors represent you, or find out that your advisor represents you and not an institution, because then they're working for you and with you. So you should be giving as much information as you can to your advisor to help them formulate the right strategy for you. And then also make the right recommendation for an insurer, the policy and the insurance company. Some of the companies will do different things with different health events and concerns. And I guess that's what I'm getting to with here with disclosure, is a lot of the times people want to know about how much health information or past lifestyles, smoking, drinking, those circumstances that they maybe in the past, but are they relevant to the insurance today? So some of those questions are very specific that the insurers ask in an application. Do you, yes or no, or have you ever, then yes or no. So that's the have you ever, makes you think and decide whether it's relevant information that the insurer needs. Certainly things like colds and flus and things that you've got over well in the past, don't have to be worried about. One of the insurers, a new insurer I like, the style of questioning that they're asking, a lot of their questions are, in the last 10 years, have you had? Some of the questions are, in the last 3 years, have you had? So rather than that open-ended, have you ever, which is typically the 30 odd years I've been in the industry, most of the insurers have asked the have you ever question. And you do, I know for clients, they do feel a little concerned that if they need to make a claim and the insurer wants to go fishing, could they find something in their history that the person has genuinely just forgotten not to disclose? And could that be a problem? So I do like that shorter, more specific 3 years, 5 years, 10 years kind of question these days. But I guess my answer is talk to your advisor, find an advisor that you're comfortable in dealing with. They should be able to support you in making the application, giving the insurer all the information that they need to have. Disclosure is super, super important. At the time of a claim, the insurers can go looking and make sure that they are paying a genuine claim. And I'm sure that that's what you would expect as well, that they pay genuine claims, not that people have deliberately left something out. And I don't think most people do that, but facts suggest that some people have tried it, and that ruins it maybe for everybody else. But there's a process to follow. Disclose, and also work with an advisor who has the experience to tell you that's relevant or that's not. So maybe, hopefully that puts your mind at ease if you're wondering, who do I talk to or how much do I have to tell them? Just be comfortable with the person you're dealing with, and I think you'll get the right outcome. So if we can help in any way, love to. All the best.